How are you, FORZA Laser friends? I'm Freddy Cabrera and I'm here at Fabtech in Monterrey. Today we're going to find out what visitors think about laser technology. Come with me. We are in the production area of Fabtech. Tumuasin says, join me as we look for people, customers, those passionate about and interested in metal laser cutting technology to find out what they're looking for, what they think, and especially what they need in a laser cutting machine. Join me. We are with Elias from Guadalajara. Elias, first tell us about the industry you're in and the technology you use, your tools.
Okay, very good. We are an industrial machinery company. We operate in the electronics, automotive, and food industries.
What tools and technologies do they use?
We have laser technology, we have a laser cutter, we have a laser welder, we have plasma bender assist.
We are here with Genaro and we're going to talk about technology. First, Genaro, tell us about your industry and the technology you use for your processes.
Well, we are in the metalworking industry. We manufacture many different types of things for the industry. We've worked extensively in the automotive industry. As for equipment, we have lasers, press brakes, shears, etc., etc.
Of course, all the toys that are necessary. Tell us a little about the industry you are in and the tools and technologies you use.
Well, we are in the metalworking industry. Our factory manufactures tanks for electrical transformers. We utilize plasma equipment, laser equipment. We employ presses, magnetic drills. Basically, all the tools and machinery that you see here are what we use in our line of work. Yes.
Pretty much, yes.
We are like a kid in a toy store.
Right. Tell us a bit about yourselves, the industry you work in, and the tools and technology you use.
Yes, exactly. You see, we cut black sheet metal, stainless steel. We specialize in contract cutting and bending, welding and painting in Guatemala.
Yes. So you traveled specifically to learn more about this event and the technology that's here, right?
Yes, exactly. Yes, we've been receiving magazines from there, from Guatemala, for many years. And we came here about 5 or 6 years ago to buy our very first machine. And from that time, we spent several years working and we just didn't have the time to come back until now.
And then for laser metal cutting machines, to us, what is most important for your industry? What must a good machine have to improve everything?
Precision, speed, and above all that we possess the capability for varying sizes for different shapes and so forth. But most importantly, what we are looking for in the industry that we are in is precision.
What would interest you most in a laser metal cutting machine?
We're hoping to find a laser machine here at the YASIM exhibition. At least one that can cut 2 inches of thickness. We're hoping to find it.
And for you, what's the most important thing your future laser metal cutter needs?
I believe that the finish, right? The finish is very important, yes.
So what materials, what types or thicknesses will you cut?
For thicknesses, I think half an inch would be the maximum. And regarding shapes, yes, they are somewhat complex forms. That's why laser is also sought, because plasma leaves it a bit, it's not as detailed in the cuts.
So, and within the laser itself, what do you find important in a laser cutting machine? What's most important to you?
Well, one of the important things is the quality of the cut and the time it takes to make those cuts. And one of the very important things is that we have technical service right here in Monterrey.
What's the main thing you look for in a company? Like, I join or buy this company because it offers me this.
Yes, well, I think there are about 3 or 4 characteristics which would be power, right? Because now, before, when we came here, the machines were barely 1,000 watts and you saw more plasmas than lasers. The trend has been changing and now I think the trend is a laser of 12,000 to 20,000 watts. So it would be power, technical support, and the price.
Right. What are you looking for in a supplier? What things should it give me?
Good customer service, good guidance, and that they know what they're selling, right?
Of course.
All the operating characteristics of the machine.
These companies that sell you laser cutters, what's the most important, the best value proposition they offer you?
Solutions, because the summer now, it's not only the equipment but also having the technicians and people available to support us at any moment.
What do you think about the service of the companies, if they gave you good service for maintenance, laser cutting this, or what could they improve?
Yes, they have a good service, but the only issue with Yungli is that their service comes directly from China, so it's available in the early morning. Because of the time difference, the Chinese staff work at 2 or 3 in the morning, so that's what makes it a bit complicated.
What do you expect from the company that sells your metal cutting machine?
Well, honestly, I'm really looking for some credit. I mean, I need to get some credit, facility, you know, because we don't have the full budget right now. But I think that's key for me, a credit line.
Speaking of Forza, tell us, what have you seen? What have you been able to get a feel for about Forza Laser?
I saw that they made a new video for a client here in Mexico who I think makes motorcycle radiator guards, right? Like I saw it. Yes, I did see the advertisement where he implemented a laser machine compared to plasma. It saves a lot of electricity and is much faster. From one day to the next, I understand he was able to make his designs and changes to the automation of his products.
And any brand you might have in mind?
You got this, come on.
It got us.
Laser Force.
Hence, that has been the opinion of the visitors at the Fabtech exhibition in Monterrey, Mexico. If you want to know more about laser technology, don't forget to comment, give us a like and subscribe. See you later.